Hey guys, my name is Nate with the CM Roof Construction, and today I want to talk about 5 common reasons that why your roof will leak. Number 1 is chimney flashing. Chimney flashing is one of the main spots on the roof that start to leak. So over time it starts to get cracked or damaged, and it becomes a main issue for the homeowners. The second one is pipe put. So over time the pipe puts start to get worn or cracked and start to be leaking. So I would really recommend to all homeowners that to check their the pipe puts when they see they have any leak on their house, because those are the potential leaking spots. Third one is skylights. Skylights, I know all homeowners actually love to having skylights because they can watch the stars from their bedroom, or they can actually brighten their living area with it, especially daytime, And but the other disadvantage of having skylights is that when it starts to leak, it can really damage your house. But it happens because of mainly the flashing issues. So it's improper installation, or after a while maybe they start to get the cracked or something, and those are another reasons that your roof can leak. The fourth one is missing shingle. Actually this is the obvious one, so I'm sure that whenever you guys have any leak on your home, the first thing you need to check, you need to get out and look at the roof. So if there is any missing shingles, that's the obvious ones that it's can leak there. So you need to find some roofers who can fix that. And improper installation. This one is also it is obvious, because when you hire some shady roofers, if they didn't install it properly, so definitely it's gonna leak. So that's why I would definitely recommend you guys to be careful when you hire a roofing contractor. Just try to find someone who you guys trust and who has done jobs before, someone you knows maybe, or just look at their reviews online. So these are the 5 common reasons that your roof will leak. So if you have more reasons, please add this comment, or maybe you are not agreed, feel free to leave it in the comment. I would like to see them. And if you worry about your roof that will leak or has a leak that you don't know what to do, give us a call. We would love to inspect your roof and just try to figure out how we can help you. Okay.